Now I'm gonna hang from the tree and jump down.
Challenge of Matthew.
Yeah, Matthew challenged you, that's why.
So I'm gonna tell Sally that we went across the bridge, but we didn't come back from the bridge.
Yeah.
These are powerful. So,
Yay!
wow.
So how was
It
it?
was nice. It was fun. Look at these beautiful flowers. Geranium.
Oh yeah. Oh, is that it?
I think this is geranium, I think.
Oh.
Or no, what do you call the Christmas flower? Geranium. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice too, right here.
Beautiful. Very nice. It's a
See?
store also.
Uh huh.
I don't have any money.